Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my TinkerCad Masterclass. In this episode, I will show you what the Smart Duplicate tool is and how you can use it. Okay, so let's just say for a second that you have all of these houses and you kind of want to make a cul-de-sac. Now what you could do is, duplicate one house, move it or change the angle of it, then Control C and Control V to just copy and paste it and keep changing it. You could do that, but there's a much easier way of doing it. It's the Smart Duplicate tool. Smart Duplicate, all you have to do is to either hit this duplicate button up here or Control D. So you duplicate, want to rotate without deselecting it. You want to then pull it to another angle and another area. Now, if I just keep hitting Control D, I can make as big of a circle as I want. It's good because then you can go back and change it, going all the way through, and then you can do Control D. I can switch to maybe 45 degrees, Control D, and then it just creates a whole circle. It's also good for creating super smooth cylinders. So what you can do is just up the sides a lot, hit Control D, and then hit Control D. And then you kind of have to realize that at some point you've gone to a point where there are too many. So now you kind of just group this. Another thing you can do is create a really extremely pointy star. Control D. So you can see how you're getting these kind of complex shapes whenever you do it. I'm going to keep hitting Control D. Now, this could extremely lag out your computer as you're dealing with a lot more shapes than normally you deal with. So you can see you're just creating tons and tons of shapes, faces, and polygons. So you could basically just keep doing this forever. But I'm going to delete it. Now, one thing that you have to try to check for is you can see how this is the center point of rotation. I'm going to try to duplicate it. Move it to around that point. I'm going to try to rotate it, we'll say 1 degree. I see, so then it was doing more of a move than a rotate. But there is a slight rotate, so that's how you get a bigger circle. So basically this could be applied to any shape. So we could rotate it, pull it up, hit Control D, rotate it, and then boom, you just place these four how you want it to. Now, I want to quickly show you how not to do a smart duplicate. Hit Control D. Going to rotate it. Ooh, I accidentally clicked away. You have to just keep the exact same selection the whole time. Now, you can make some like cool fans with it. So, like, I have this object. Just kind of bring it down to 2 millimeters. Control D. So then you kind of also have this little hole in the middle, but then also have this like sun kind of fan shape. Kind of looks like a storm with all the things protruding out of the side. So I was thinking about how far does the smart duplicate tool go, and I think I found something. So I'm gonna pull in this cone. I'm gonna delete it. I'm going to shrink it to 4. I'm going to hit Control D. I'm going to move it out that far. I'm going to expand it till, say, 6. And I'll shrink that to 18. So then, if I keep on hitting Control D, it's starting to kind of like expand in one direction, but then it's starting to shrink in the other direction, and it ends up kind of like forming an exponential curve graph. I mean, that's kind of what it looks like to me. And then just keeps going on forever. So that's it's a little cool thing that I found. Okay guys, thank you all for watching another episode of my TinkerCad basic series. Remember, if you like this, please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have someone that you think should see it, please just send it to them. If you really want to help me and support the channel, just go to my Patreon. Should be a link in the description for that. And as always, keep on designing.